Hello everyone and welcome to Sources Classes. So today we have a very important update for you pertaining to the ISI 2020 examination. From the recent notification that we have received from the examination of the student community department of the ISI is that the examination which was scheduled to take place on the 2nd of August, the ISI examination has been postponed due to the current ongoing lockdown in place. So what we have installed for you pertaining to the information of the same is that initially the examination, when the notifications are out in the early part of 2020, the initial date of the examination was supposed to be 8th of April 2020. But then again, due to the current lockdown which was placed on in the late of March, basically 24th of March, the finally the rescheduling of the same had taken place, and finally the rescheduled date came out to be 2nd of August 2020. But now, as we can see, the current situation that that till August 31st of July, there's a lot of states have basically imposed lockdown. States such as West Bengal, Maharashtra, Delhi, and in Tamil Nadu for that matter, they have imposed their lockdowns and extended the same till the 31st of July. So keeping that in mind, the examination for the same has again been postponed, and as of the new notice, we have the exam to basically take place on the second week of September. The exact date of the same hasn't yet been mentioned, so which is due to be mentioned sometime down the line as well. So now let's first take a look at what the official notice is and what we can actually successfully conclude from the same about the postponement of the examination. So if we take a look at the notice itself, it basically says that in the partial modification of the notice issued on May 19, 2020. So this was the first date on which the postponement of the first date of postponement was announced. It is hereby intimated to all the registered candidates that ISI admission 2020 test that the ISI admission test 2020, which had been earlier scheduled to 2nd August 2020, is postponed. In view of the current prevailing on the account of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, it is now possible to declare the firm date for the test at this time. Okay, so like I said, the new date has not been decided upon yet, but is not expected to help before the second week of September. So we can expect the date to be somewhere after the second week of September. So anytime after that, so we can expect the examination to take place. Okay. Announcement of the exact date will be made after proper assessment of the situation. So we can actually wait on that, bearing in mind the well-being and safety of the candidates. So as you can see, this was very humble and a very honest approach by the ISI Admission Council in general. So they would be taking care of the entire social distancing procedure while basically conducting the examination. So the well-being of the teachers, the students, or the candidates who would be basically appearing for the test has been taken into account for. Very okay. So that said, and ensuring they are able to appear for the test without any risk or hardship. Candidates are duly notified on the near date of the admission test well in advance. So, okay, so now if the current situation says the lockdown comes to an end sometime after the August, then we can actually expect some kind of notification in the coming month only, because if we go by the trend itself, if the lockdowns are lifted upon after the July, after 31st of July, then we can actually see some kind of notification coming. So we can expect a notification at least 2 to 3 weeks before the date of the exam. Date of exam. So we can expect a notification at least 2 to 3 weeks before the date of exam, and because they also have to issue the admit card for the same, then students also will have ample time to prepare for the same as well. As soon as the date is announced, all the candidates will be provided a small window for making changes in their preferences and uploading pending documents, like results of qualifying exams if appeared in 2020, those related to category like different category certification and etc. Gate INO by logging to their accounts on the online application portal. Okay, so these provisions will also be done. Admit card will issue soon after this window closes. We'll try our best to ensure that this is done at least 3 weeks before the admission test date. Okay, so like I said, we'll have plenty of time left for taking a printout of the admit card in general, and also getting all the uploads of the documents pertaining to our casts or any kind of qualifying examination for that matter. The relevant dates will be announced through the ISI admission web page, okay? So which you can actually visit the ISI web page for the same. Candidates are required to keep close watch on this website. So you can basically Google this out. So the official ISI website where you will get all the details pertaining to the same. And further, what is also stressed that the revised selection policy will be enforced unless modified further due to the changing circumstances. Then again, like they have already mentioned, that we can expect further changes in the situation depending upon the situation that we see ourselves in the coming future. So depending on that, that examination might be postponed further, and the selection criteria about the examination may also change in accordance to that. Owing to the logistic constraints or unavoidable issues, some candidates may have to allocate to the centers of their second preference due to the merger of the few centers close to them. The revised list of centers will be announced before the admit card issues. So yes, change in centers might take place because some of the centers, like they said, they have a merger of a few centers, so their second preference centers might be allocated to them. So which will be told beforehand, before the issue of the admit card only. If it may not be possible for ISL to entertain request of refund of application fee on account of rescheduling of admission. So yes, if you are looking for any kind of refund with respect to fee, so they have clearly mentioned that that provision will not be provided. So having said that, so now as far as the students are concerned who have actually applied for the same, they have been given an extra window, at least a couple of months more, to successfully prepare for this examination. So all those people who are struggling with the preparation, this is basically a blessing in disguise for you, as you already have extra ample amount of time so that you can continue your preparation for the same. And also those students who are on the verge, who are actually quite frustrated due to lockdown, please don't take it in the negative sense, because this extra time you can make double your effort for the same, and then you can continue your studies, prepare harder, go for a few extra mocks of the same, so that you can actually make the most out of this time, and this turn this basically a dire situation, this entire pandemic, into your beneficial one for yourself. So having said that, for all the candidates who are actually looking to get themselves enrolled in this college or are looking for any kind of help with their preparation, we at Sorasa classes have come up with the online classes for the same and study materials for the same. So what we'll be providing are basically online and offline video classes for the same. As due to the current COVID, our online classes are actually quietly affected. But if you're in Kolkata, if the situation opens up, we can actually make an effort to initiate our offline classes as well. But the online classes are still going on, batches are still coming up, and since this is the dates have been postponed, this is a very good opportunity for you to enroll with us and prepare with us for the same as well. So when we will be providing the entire syllabus with shortcut tips and tricks for the same, and we'll be covering the entire syllabus of the same with state-of-the study materials that we'll be providing, plus mock test and every one-to-one teacher guidance and everything will be provided. So in case you are looking for that extra boost in your preparation or have totally given up, do give us a try. So this might be your make or break point, and come make the most of this extra time you have with Sorcerer classes. So to know more about the same, you will get all the details pertaining to our program and how to contact us in the description section of the video. But then again, if you wish to contact us, you can actually visit our website, like which is www.sorofclasses.com. You can mail us at sorofclasses@gmail.com, or you can call, text, or WhatsApp us on these numbers: 743918480986975 85572 833788 9836 793076, and finally 98748 22756. Okay, you can contact us on any of these following methods and we'll get back to you. Any doubt you have in particular to your preparations for the same, you can actually contact us for that as well. So we'll be there to guide you through your entire preparatory journey. And in case you want to prepare with us, then you have the options of joining our online courses and the study materials for that matter. So having said that, I wish all the students all the best, and I hope that you will make the most of this extra time that you have. And with that said, I'm signing off. Thank you so much.